This is a honeybee. It is not to be confused with a wasp or a bumblebee. A bee has a tongue called a proboscis. It is long and pointy and soft. Bees need long tongues so they can reach into flowers where the nectar is. The bee's tongue works like a straw. As a bee travels from flower to flower, pollen grains get caught in the branched hairs, which facilitates their collection by the bees. Bees carry pollen in different ways, but a honeybee uses her hairy front and middle legs like brushes to comb the pollen off her body and pack it into hairy recesses on her rear legs. These hairy recesses are called pollen baskets. As the bee travels from flower to flower collecting nectar, it is also collecting pollen for food for the entire colony. As they do this, they are pollinating the plants. Nectar is stored within their stomachs as it is passed from one worker to the next until the water is diminished. Honeybees also collect protein from plant pollen, which they bring back to their nest. Bumblebees are large yellow and black flying insects with a distinct buzz. There is a variation in color among bumblebees, and some species have bands of red, yellow, and black. They have stocky bodies that are covered with many hairs to which pollen adheres. Bumblebees have 4 wings. The 2 rear wings are small and usually attached to the forewings by a row of hooks called hamuli. The wings move rapidly. Bumblebees also harvest nectar and pollen from flowering plants. Bumblebees will scent mark the flowers, leaving behind a message to others that the nectar is gone. Foraging bumblebees tend to avoid flowers recently visited by other bumblebees, although they will visit the same patch of flowers. Unlike honeybees, bumblebees do not die after stinging and can protect themselves another time too. Only the female and worker bumblebees are equipped with a stinger. However, they make up a large part of the family, and male bumblebees are all unarmed and harmless.